What's up guys, today we are at Fantasiana in Austria. This is going to be a shorter video because we're only here for Helios, really, and there's one other family coaster here, but we're just going to ride that a few times and we'll be out of here. This is another coaster where I'm just kind of wondering, why is it at this park? Because this is also like a family kiddie park. Seems to be a common theme for Europe, but I ain't mad about it because we have awesome coasters like this to ride.
Yeah, it looks sick.
Yeah, it looks awesome.
It actually looks really good.
Alright, there's a Fantasiana over there. Let's go in it. Whoa. It's a cute. Oh! It's a street. That's cool. And it's raining. Yay. That's a very fast lift hill. Onboard audio? I didn't know that. Alright, we just did Helios 5 times. It's kind of alternated between the front and the back row. It's a cute ride. It's definitely a little bit less intense than I was expecting it to be, but I mean, being at a family park, it actually does make sense here now. Our first ride was a rain ride, and it was running a little bit slow, obviously, because it was the first train of the day. But each ride got a little bit faster and faster, but I can see this thing running pretty good after it's warmed up after a little bit, but we're only here for like another half hour, give or take. But overall, super fun ride. I really enjoyed it. Alright, they have one more coaster here. It's called Salber Express, which is like a little family coaster. And it looks like it does 2 rounds on this thing too. So we'll get this one more ride, then we'll probably be out of here for today. So this coaster has an interesting beginning. You actually go backwards first, which I actually didn't even know about that. Oh, 9.
Interesting.
And away we go. And then we got the second launch. Second launch. Whoa! Whoa! Why is there a spider over there? And laughing too. Oh, it's so fun. Oh! Very nice. Spider. There's a spider over there.
Yeah, why is there a spider right there? Okay. Oh!
Alright, Salber Express was actually a lot more fun than I was expecting it to be.
That was solid.
Yeah, I mean, it's just a family coaster, nothing crazy, but like, it's just fun. Super smooth too. And cute little theming.
Yeah.
It is interesting how you like go backwards first and then it like launches you.
Cute little boosters actually.
Yeah, swing launch. Swing launch. 2 laps too, yeah. So you have like a 3D printout of Helios in the whole section, of the whole area.
So cool.
That's really neat.
This glass is more faded than the ever edible.
Well, that's not making it into the vlog. Or will it? So that's really all of our time here, so I'm not even going to bother doing a park exit montage, so Ryan proposed our ride count. Right there. Yeah, just a cute park for what it is. Probably the smallest park that we've done on this trip so far. It's a very small footprint.
Footprint-wise, yeah, it's probably the smallest.
But despite that, it's still like it's a very cute park, and it does well for what it does. Alright guys, I wrapped the video up here. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you in the next loop. Bye.
Bye.